In this tutorial, we'll go over 2 simple ways to structure your data room index to best fit your project needs. For the first method, we'll manually create folders. This approach gives you full control, allowing you to design a custom folder structure tailored to your specific requirements. To begin, right-click within the data room or click on the 3 dots in the toolbar. Then, select Create and choose Create Folder. Set an index point description, enter a folder name, and decide if permissions should be inherited from the parent folder or restricted to administrators only. Once done, click Create. Your folder will now appear in your index. Repeat this process as needed to build your desired structure. For the second method, if you already have an established index, such as a template in Excel, you can upload it directly into the data room. In this example, we'll use one of our ready-to-use standard due diligence template files available for download on our website. To upload an index structure, right-click on the main folder or use the 3 dots, then select Upload and choose Upload Index. Select the file containing your structure. The system will process the file, and within minutes, your index will be uploaded and ready to use. Once your index is in place, you can further customize the view by adding extra columns. For better visualization, let's use an example data room that already contains several files. Click on the 3 dots to open the Display Columns settings, pick the columns you'd like to show, and click Apply. To organize your content according to your workflow, simply click on a column header to sort it. For easier navigation, you can toggle between Tree View and List View based on your preference. Finally, if you need to rearrange folders, simply drag and drop them into the desired order. After rearranging, select the desired permissions for each item in its new index position. Click Paste to finalize the changes. To organize index points after rearranging folders, simply right-click or select the 3 dots icon, then go to Edit and choose Renumber. You'll have the option to either renumber only the immediate next level index points, or to renumber all sub-index points within the folder. Once you've made your selection, click Renumber. You'll immediately see that the new numbering has been applied. With these simple steps, you'll have a well-organized data room index, ready to support your due diligence or project needs efficiently. For more help, contact our team through our website.